Strange along here, just cross between celery and lettuce like pasta. I'm not quite sure about it. And here's thyme in flour or not. The last place to show you is down here. I just want to show you white mustard.
So what you want to do, guys, you want to take your onions, of course, peel the outside, cut the outside off and peel it off. I'm using white onions. These are white sweet onions. Of course, they're organic. And these are shallots. I'm also using. Any piece we don't use for our recipe, we're going to use for our broth. Just putting those scraps to the side. The other part of our holy trinity of onions, celery, and carrots, we're going to cut up and prepare our celery. First, I'm going to rinse it. I'll cut the end off of this. Other ends off. I'm not going to use this either. You basically just want these pieces. You basically don't want these pieces. We only want these pieces. So these pieces are where we're going to make the part of the Holy Trinity. We're going to take these and cut them in half. And take these ends off too, just to make it more symmetrical. Makes it easy for everyone. So we just want this piece. It's pretty much all we need. These end pieces we really don't need. And when I say don't need, we can use them for our broth. Celery is great for broth, especially for stuff like this. It's going to taste like beef. Celery is great for that. Some of them I'm probably going to cut again. Just want to get them as uniform as possible. Just going to cut these all up for diced celery. Line these up as best as you can. Make sure you start cutting your onions. I'm gonna take the chopped, diced onions, add these to the celery. Take these, add those to everything else. Yeah, enjoy it. Pretty much, I'm just doing my best to cut these in little slivers, slice those in half, and I'm gonna dice those in half. So I put all those together. In the middle, flip it over, do that in again, cut it in half. Or baby portobello mushrooms or cremini mushrooms. Just gonna rinse these off. Grease the pan. I'm gonna throw our diced veggies in here like that. This is the seasoning blend that I personally make myself. It's our all-purpose seasoning for Ward of Health. It's 11 herbs and spices. Make this from scratch, all organic. We'll have this available soon for sale, online and at the market. You guys have been asking me about it since we opened. I'm finally getting around to doing it. I'm gonna take the jackfruit in brine. I'm gonna smash this up with our hands and add this in there. Yeah, like a little squirt, you know, squirt all that out. I'm gonna do a half a cup of coconut aminos. Trader Joe's vegan Worcestershire sauce. It's a quarter cup. And a sprig of thyme in there too as well. So we got our mushrooms, onions, and carrots we're gonna add to this as well. Add a little bit more of our secret seasoning. Ward of Health's all-purpose seasoning. This is our mineral broth. Pretty much all the scrap veggies that we had from earlier, combined with some spring water and our all-purpose seasoning. This will mix this mineral broth. It's actually a lot of like stuff in here though. Like, this is gonna be a nice little pot roast stew, John. See what I just had to go through for this? Did you see what I had to go through? We'll be sitting here till like 7 o'clock tonight. You hear that noise, y'all? You want to have the mac and cheese consistency. It's a little too wet. You want it a little solidify up a little bit more. I should start talking to you. Alright, y'all, this is set for at least 8 hours. Had this sitting overnight. This is all ready. The stew has definitely done its thing. You can see the sauce is thickened up a little bit. Our jackfruit pot roast is definitely in there like it's supposed to be. See how it's all in there? Has a texture. This is exactly what we're going for. So I'm gonna just try some just to make sure it's, you know, everything I intended it to be. All right, y'all, here we go. Oh, this is actually hitting. Still hot, I ain't gonna hold y'all. But it's definitely good. And it's giving exactly what it's supposed to give. We needed this on this cold day. I can get this menu at wardofhealth.com. It will be released to the public. I'm happy to say that for y'all. Just tune in, stay tapped in. Go to wardofhealth.com for this recipe. I appreciate y'all for watching too. I know we take a little bit of time to do exactly what it is we do, but it's definitely worth it, as you can tell. Proof is in the process.